In Excel, you often need to combine a few worksheets to create a master sheet, or even a few workbooks to create a master workbook. Most users don't know how to do this. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you a simple, easy way to do this that's going to save you a ton of time. As you can see, we've got sales for 3 regions: New York, Singapore, and London. Each has their own sheet with their own separate sales. So management needs to put this together in a combined schedule. So if we go to data, get data, that's the Power Querying automation section. So if we go, we want to get from an Excel workbook, and we go in our book is called combined sheets. So you'll see that what has arrived is every single sheet Power Query sees. I can select multiple items and select things, or you can just click on the whole document. So what we want to do is transform these sheets. So you see what Power Query imports is 2 columns with the sheet names and embedded property of a table. And it sees each table object inside each sheet. So what we want to do, we simply click on expanding this, and we go OK. So what you'll see now is you'll see every sheet is in here, all the information on each sheet. So that includes these header sections, which we don't want. So our first task will be to get rid of these header sections. We want to get rid of the nulls. So the next thing that we want is headings. And you can see there's a function called the use the first row as header one. And we're going to click on that, and we'll give headings to our combined table. And of course, our last problem that we see, that the headings repeat on each sheet. So all we need to do is simply filter that away. So if I go here to the second column and unselect region, we should be rid of that. We can go close and load, or we can check close and load to. What options do we have? So if you check close and load to, you'll see you have various options. You can export this to a table. You could create even a pivot table. In our case, what we'd like to do, we'd like to add a new sheet with a table in. And there you go.